Hi guys and welcome to the video. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S8 with me, and today we are going to install Android Oreo, Android 8.0, the official Android Oreo on the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. So, you need to keep in mind that the official firmware itself is not out for everyone. So, some people already got the updates over the air, but there are still a lot of people in a lot of regions who are still waiting. But there are a few ways to get the Android Oreo update right now. And the only disadvantage is that your phone needs to be rooted, or you basically need TWRP recovery installed on your device. So the first thing which you need to do is to download the ROM. You can download the ROM from the description of this video, and you need to basically paste the ROM on the device storage over here. Then you need to power off your device, so let's do that quickly. After your device is turned off, you need to press the volume up button, the Bixby button, and the power button at the same time until your phone boots up to TWRP. So here we are in the TWRP recovery. The first thing which you need to do is to go to the wipe section here, say advanced wipe, and select the devlik, the system, the data, and the cache. Do not select the internal storage because your ROM is located over there. Then you need to swipe to wipe all these things. Go back, go to install, and locate your ROM where you stored it. In my case, it's in the internal storage. Just locate your ROM. This is the ROM. Press on it and swipe to flash. So this process will take more than 5 minutes, so you will just need to wait, and then you are ready to go. So as you can see, the phone has installed the ROM now, and the only thing which you need to do now is to say Reboot System and say do not install if TWRP asks you to install the TWRP app. Right, now the phone will just boot up to the new system. You just need to wait, so this could also take like 3 or 4 minutes. So it shouldn't take that long because the Galaxy S8 is a really fast smartphone. And yeah, so just wait. So here we are now, and this here is the introduction guide of the Android Oreo system. So we just need to follow all these steps and you are basically good to go. Right, if you liked this video, give a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give a dislike. And if you have a question, you can write me on Instagram. And yeah, of course I can't reply that quickly to everyone because I'm already trying to help a lot of people over Instagram. And yeah, peace out.